Speaking skills is essential as English is widely spoken around the world. Proficiency in English can help you communicate with people, build friendship, advance your career, and travel more easily. Here are some practical steps to enhance your speaking abilities. First of all, daily practice. Consistent practice is key. Engage in conversations with friends, family, or teachers. You can even practice speaking to yourself in English to build confidence. Listen regularly. Listen to English helps you learn pronunciation, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Tune into English music, movies, radio, or TV shows. Observing native speakers in real-life settings can also be beneficial. Read aloud. Reading English books, newspapers, or magazines aloud can improve your speaking skills. Start with simpler text and gradually move to more complex material. Write in English. Writing helps you form sentences and use new vocabulary. Keep a journal. Write letters or compose stories in English to reinforce your learning. Embrace mistakes. Don't fear making errors. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Seek feedback from others to correct and improve. Think in English. Train your mind to think in English. Start with simple thoughts like naming objects or describing your feelings to build fluency. Secondly, expand vocabulary. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences. A dictionary or vocabulary app can be helpful tool. Speak slowly. Take your time when speaking. Speaking slowly helps with clarity and allows you to focus on correct pronunciation. Join a class. Enroll in an English course to learn grammar, vocabulary, and practice speaking with others. A teacher can provide guidance and correct mistakes. On the 10th note, make learning fun. Incorporate enjoyable activities like singing English songs, watching entertaining movies, or playing language games. Use technology. Leverage language learning apps, online courses, and videos to practice speaking, learn new words, and improve pronunciation. Connect with English speakers. Build friendships with native or fluent English speakers. Practice with them and enhance your skills as exposed to you to different accents and cultures. Watch news in English. News programs are a great way to learn from formal language and stay updated on current events while improving your listening and speaking skills. Join language clubs. Participate in English speaking groups or clubs to practice conversational skills with others. Travel. Visiting English-speaking countries immerses you in the language, forcing you to use English in real-life situations. Use flashcards. Create flashcards to memorize new words and phrases. Review them regularly to reinforce your learning. Record yourself. Recording your speech helps you identify areas for improvement. Share the recordings with others for feedback. Imitate native speakers. Mimic the pronunciation, tone, and rhythm of native speakers to sound more natural. Practice with partner. Find a study buddy to practice conversations, ask questions, and correct each other's mistakes. Use a mirror. Speaking in front of mirror helps you to observe your mouth movement and facial expressions, improving your delivery. Secondly, advance your skills. Engage online. Join English forums or social media groups to practice writing and expand your vocabulary. Write scripts, Prepare scripts for common conversations to build confidence and fluency. Learn about cultures. Understanding cultural differences helps you communicate more effectively with English speakers. Set goals. Establish small, achievable goals like learning few new words daily or practice speaking for 10 minutes. Reward yourself. Celebrate your progress with small rewards to stay motivated. Be patient. Language learning takes time. Stay consistent and don't get discouraged by mistakes. Incorporate English daily. Use English in everyday activities like making shopping lists or thinking aloud. Find a language partner. Partner with someone learning your language. Practice speaking in English and help them with their goals. Join online communities. Connect with other learners in online language groups for support and practice. Use language app. Explore apps designed for language exchange to practice speaking with native speakers. Focus on communication. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and practice saying them correctly. Learn common phrases. Familiarize yourself with everyday expressions to make your speech more natural. Immerse yourself, surround yourself with English medium such as podcasts, movies, and music to improve listening, speaking skills. Track progress, keep a record of your improvements, and celebrate milestones to stay motivated. Attend events, participate in English speaking workshops or events to practice in structured settings. Prioritize fluency, focus on speaking fluently rather than worrying about perfection in casual conversations. Practice in different scenarios, engage in various situations like ordering food or making phone calls to build confidence. Seek feedback, ask native speakers for a constructive feedback on your pronunciation and grammar. Stay persistent, remain committed to your goal of improving your English. Consistent effort will yield results. Enjoy the journey. Learning a language should be fun. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the process of mastering